Sorry for the fuzziness. We were planning on heading out on a hike, and unfortunately it's just started to come down in buckets and the cameras start to fog up from the inside, so we'll see if that doesn't resolve itself in a couple minutes, and then hopefully we'll be able to go on a trip a bit farther than some of the previous ones, and heading out to see some of the waterfalls across the other side of the river. Exciting! Well, as you can see here, outside the window, covered in vines, we have coffee plants. It's green berries and red berries. Sorry about the fog. Alright, I don't know if you can hear me. Day 2, we're heading down to some waterfalls. Pouring rain, now it's clear up a bit. But we're heading up, and I think eventually we're going to hit over that far side. I don't know if you can see it, or river. Anyway, still a bit drizzly with the kids, so everybody in tow. We'll see where we get to. Sunlight behind us. So apparently these flowers are called working women, and they grow wherever there's a lot of water. Add a bit of color to the environment. So you can see, following a small river now. And our guide is got her work cut out for her, carrying our children. Alright, so this here, you can find it a lot in those tropical areas, is wild anise, which has got like a licoricey smell, and sometimes you won't smell it completely unless you rub it between your fingers, and it's a really nice smell. You can use it to make a drink. Very commonly runs around here. Anyways, lots of them around here. Just look for a plant, little tiny leaves, sometimes with flowers on them. Pretty neat stuff to find here. Alright, so what we're doing is we're crossing a bridge here again, the same one we crossed before. Probably can't hear me very well. Just wire and rebar. So, there we go. Chatting with the guide, said that in the evenings and mornings you used to be able to see lots of wildlife coming down, like spectacled bears, deer-like things. I asked her more or less what it is, and she said Bambi. So, anyway, there's also porcupines and pumas, mountain lions. He said if you go up, and we're going up, you can find. Mind you, I doubt we'll see anything on this trip, but it's good to know that there's this type of things around. Oh. Kids are heavy. If you haven't noticed, I'm carrying in our Kelty backpack carrier. This little fella. Having fun, Joshy? Yeah. You might recognize these. They're native to this part of the world. Nice flowers. Keep going up. Wow, so this tree here has these little seeds inside.
Uno pasa por, digamos, por todo este sector y sentimos el olor diseminado en todo el ambiente.
There we go. See that? Smells really strong. Unfortunately, they don't know what it is. What it's called. What? Pretty impressive. I thought it looked like a fig tree at first, but... So these fruit, apparently, when they're ripe and they split open, they've got 2 black seeds in them, and it looks like the eyes of the devil, they say. You can't eat it. Apparently these lichens are phosphorescent, they'll glow in the night. Unfortunately, we probably won't be out here to see them, but pretty cool thing to know. Here we're coming down to a waterfall. So, superstition goes that if you take 3 drinks of water here, then what happens is you make 3 wishes, take some drinks, and it gives you energy, and your wishes will be granted. I want some steak. Hey Abby, what do you think? Hey Isaiah buddy, what do you think? Is that fun? He wants more. Uh-oh. So we hit another waterfall. Pretty awesome.